Hello guys, welcome to day 201 from 400 Days of Learning Programming Challenge. Yesterday I tried to install a package, npm package. I did install it, but when I wanted to run it, I faced some problems. So I asked my friends in Discord channel about this problem. Let me show you this. The problem is that I copy and paste the codes from the npm site, which are these two lines, and I tried to console log this line of code. And then this npm package tries to create random silly names, and it didn't work for me when I tried to say node. Let me show you here, node.index.js. So I received a error, like reference error, silly name is not defined. So I found three answers actually for this problem. One of them is in the comment section of my YouTube channel, which says the reason it gave error is you misspelled the variable. It's silly name, not silly name. So the problem is in the capitalize of the N here, as you can see. And the answer in my Discord channel is here. On line 2 you write silly name with a capital N. On line 4 you try to console log silly name with a lowercase n. The error says you have not defined silly name. And another person says it always happened to misspell a name or miss a dot, a close bracket or parenthesis. It's better to install ESLint extension on your VS Code to highlight these kind of errors. It will save your time. And I think one step one would be to start paying closer attention to the little hints shown in the IDE. So here is, actually I saw this little dots here, as you can see, but I didn't find any explanation for this. Maybe it's because I disactive the hover that come here and explain the errors. How I bring it back, I forgot it. Settings, hover, here, and maybe the error. Okay, couldn't find in name silly name. Did you mean silly name? Actually it gave the solution as well. Yes. Okay, so here is, it's actually not my fault. I copied this code from the npm package site, like here, npm. Let me bring back the website. Silly name. Okay, I think it was this page. It's not this, so let's search again. Silly. It wasn't this page. It didn't have this code, so where'd it go? Let me check my notes. here it is. So this is the codes, as you can see. City name, oh, it's actually my fault, I think. But here, as you can see, it's not capitalized. Here is capitalized. So it can lead me to face a error. Now I have to say city name. Press Ctrl S to save it. Again, node.index. Okay, I am Pickle Sage Storm. What is Pickle Sage? Mean. Who is Pickle Sage? Okay. Can I receive any better name here? Vinominja Thunder. That's better one. Better than the previous one, Pickle Sage. Okay, let's close this. Now, so it worked, okay? I learned how to use this package. Let me use one other package to make sure that I have learned it exactly how to use it, because I remember 2 days ago I tried to use a package. It was a little bit confusing, complex. It was complex code, so I'm trying to use that. Thank you guys for answer. And I think, I'm not sure this extension that Reza has been said is make any difference with the hover prompt that gave me the solution. Is there any example? If you are new to this, check the documentation. Use the ESLint library installed in the open workspace folder. If the folder doesn't provide one extension, looks for the global install version. If you haven't installed, either locally or globally, do something. Find. Let me show how it works. Problems. Find and fix problems in your JavaScript code. Your code to quickly find problems. It is built into most text editors. And you can run as part of your continuous integration pipeline. I cannot see any difference. Actually, it is just showing the error with a red underline on in the codes. I already have that in VS Code. I'm not sure if it's useful for now, so let's close it for now. And this is my channel, guys. My Discord channel. There is a lot of programmers here who know how to code, They are professional, and we helping each other into learning web development, to be a web developer. So if you are new, you can join to this channel via invite link in the description. Search for a new package like password generator. Password generator. A password generator for both Node and browser. You can generate random password by using your selection. Password generator and complexity checking without headache. I like the title, without headache. So what is this? One other thing that before I start to create a new package, one other thing is I want to use import generate name. So here you can see it says require, and there is 3 dots under that. File is a common JS module. It may be converted to an ES module. Require any. So I can use here, I can use something like type module, right? File is common JS module. It is maybe converted to ES module. So I choose module. Now maybe I can use import. Let me see, how can I import? So instead of var generate name equal to require still name, I can say import generate name from cv name. Press Ctrl S. Let's check if it's still working. It doesn't work, I think. Import generate name from still name. Syntax error. Cannot use import a statement outside a module. Outside a module. Couldn't find a declaration file for module still name in this folder. Implicity has an any type. Try npmi line save blah blah if it exists, or add a new declaration. I don't get this. I'm checking my notes. Okay, so here is working as configuration for my project. Looks like I did everything right, but I still face error. Change the type to module. I'll use generate name, generate any, generator any, string, import generate name. Couldn't find a declaration file from module silly name. Declaration. A formal or explicit statement or announcement mean declaration. A formal statement. So cannot find a formal statement file for module silly name. See my project node.js practice node module silly name dash index.js implicitly has an any type. Try npm I save blah blah if it exists, or add a new declaration. Why I can't import this? I cannot get the explanation here. I'm thinking about how to search about this in the Google. Here are two solutions. When a module is not yours, try to install types from the types npm install the type module name. If you are importing a third-party module through that doesn't provide any typing, either in the library itself or in the types through package generated from definitely typed repository, then you can make this error go away by declaring the module in a file with a .ts extension. TypeScript looks for .ts file in the same places that it will look for normal. What's these guys talking about? It's hard to understand. So this answer looks more easier. Let's see if we can understand it. See my answer below. I saw something similar in the hover section. Try npm install save. So let's type this in the console here. Error npm error, a complete log if this run can be found in here. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Let's get back here. I think I have to replace the module name with silly name. still getting the same error. So the module should have a type name. Let's get back here. Check here if we can find something like @type. So here it says just create a file named typing.d.ts in the root directory of your project. So what kind of file should I create in the root directory? So here new file, for example. So right now I am in the root directory, new file. Now I have to say named this. So new file, name this. Press enter. So should I save it here or in the root directory of your project? Inside the file, just add, okay, let's just add it in the ESLint package. Let me copy the address, create the file. Okay, the file has been opened. Now Inside this file, just add this line, copy and paste it, and now here module name can be any module's name that you want to import. So here I have to say silly name, but I'm not sure if I have to remove these symbols. Let's remove them, like a silly name. So let's not remove that. Let's say silly name. Okay. Press Ctrl S. Here, module name can be any module's name that you want to import. Finally, open the tsconfig.json file and include the file typing.dts inside the array named as include array. But how can I find this tsconfig.json? I think by tsconfig.json it means this one, the package.json, right? Because it's a configuration document. So here file and include the file typing inside the array named include array. Is there something called include array here? Nope. Maybe should we add it here? Like include? Nope. So we are in a wrong page. How can I? Let's ask ChatGPT. Oops. So it is in the root file, root folder of the project. Let's go into root project, which is drive C, projects, node.js practice, tsconfig.json. I cannot find anything called tsconfig. How much time you spent? About 35 minutes. I wanted to spend 20 minutes, but here we are. Let's solve this problem tomorrow. I'm going to learn MATLAB language for my university. There is a class we have in the university called reinforcement learning. They give me they ask us to create a project about multi-armed bandits. So this is actually an agent who tried to trying to pull a handle and receive a reward. So there is many realms that we have for this agent, that this agent have to go and pull that different handles and find a better reward with epsilon greedy algorithm. So the professor used MATLAB in order to code that project, but I already learned a little bit Python, so I have to learn MATLAB right now as well. So I have to put a little bit time for learning that every day, and this is very confusing because I already trying to learn HTML and web development, and at the same time Python for my machine learning, machine vision class, and also learning MATLAB for my reinforcement learning class. So this is very confusing, but it is what it is. I have to try my best. So after finishing this video, I'm going to go and learn MATLAB as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'm trying to solve this problem tomorrow. See you later.